everybody, it's Goldie from Two Tails here, and yes, I'm in the same background, and yes, I'm with Scylla again, and this time, you're not gonna jump. Riley, girlie. Alrighty, so today's story is about the fire alarm. Now, we all know that classic tale, at least I think we do, or at least that classic daydream about that student that presses the fire alarm as a joke. Well, that happened. So, in the year of 4th grade, never mind. So, in the year of 4th grade, we're just going to go along with that. Me and my friend, we were just lined up against the wall, waiting to go into class while waiting for the bell to ring. So there was this other kid, and I was watching him. It's not like I had this feeling, I was just glancing at him. So I was just staring off into space now. And then I just see him trip. Or well, I think I did. I don't remember. My memory's kind of fuzzy on this. But then the fire alarm went off. That's all I knew. This guy, we'll call him AJ because that's his nickname, moved. I don't know what he did. I just saw him move and then the fire alarm went off. So he obviously was the one who set it off. So when the fire alarm went off, everybody was confused on what happened. The 5th graders were like, huh? And we were like, what? What? Excuse me, what happened? And the teachers were all running around. And I don't remember. I'm not sure what they were doing. But everybody was confused for a second, and the teachers were starting to get ready to leave and to go out of the school. And then everybody realized it was a false alarm. It wasn't a drill. It wasn't real. It was just somebody set it off. Everybody was still freaking out though. So one of the teachers miraculously saved the day and turned off the fire alarm. And we headed into class. So the story doesn't end there, because after we headed into class, we got this long lecture about fire alarms and safeties and stuff. And the kid, he tried to make a cover-up story. And you want to know what that cover-up story is? He said that he tripped and fell, but it honestly didn't look like it. It looked like more he pretended to trip and fall, and then he oh no, Scylla. Oh, okay, she's just gonna wanna climb on the camera? Do you wanna climb on the camera? I looked more like he stepped back purposely so he could set the alarm off. So yeah, that was today's story about the fire alarm. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys enjoyed the skit tonight. Goodbye!